process. Open the hardwire kit box. The left side cable is for dashcam charging, the center area is a transformer. According to the label, the three connections are BAT+, ACC, GND, in order. BAT+ is connected to car battery, ACC is connected to the mentioned position, and GND is connected to the hitching iron screws. Find the positions of the fuse box, usually underneath the driver's and co-driver's seats or on the left-right side of the vehicle trunk. Open the fuse box cover, then you can see many fuses inside the box. Open the vehicle user manual to find the fuse box instruction, then you can find which devices in the car each fuse corresponds to. When selecting fuse locations, avoid wiring that may affect the safety of the vehicle's route. Select device interfaces that are used infrequently. We use a multimeter to test the status of the fuse, electric stylus linked to the hitch screw. When car engine on or off both have voltage value is BAT+. When car engine on have voltage value is ACC. If there is voltage only when the vehicle is started, it is ACC. Remove the fuse with a pair of wire cutters or other tools, and use the electric stylus to measure the internal contacts of the fuse. Connect the remote plug of the hardwire kit at the powered end, insert the hardwire kit into the corresponding reserved port of the fuse box. Ensure that the vehicle and the hardwire kit match the port. Please pay attention to the direction of the socket, to avoid damage to the equipment caused by the wrong installation. Finally, connect the GND cable interface to the hitch screws. Then the hardwire kit installation is completed. Connect the dashcam to power cable. If the parking mode function can be realized after the car engine was off, means that the installation is correct. The hardwire kit is equipped with 4 sets of fuse used for different car models.